Hello friends. In this video I will tell you some features of SN63/PB37 tin solder paste. Tin solder paste is a widely recognized and utilized soldering material in the electronics industry. Composed of 63% tin and 37% lead, this solder paste offers a unique balance that significantly influences its performance and reliability in various applications. The composition of tin solder paste is essential, as it not only provides excellent melting characteristics, but also ensures optimal wetting and flow during the soldering process. As a consequence, it contributes to the formation of strong, durable solder joints that are critical to the functionality and longevity of electronic components. One of the primary reasons for the preference of tin solder paste over other solder materials is its low melting point, which is approximately 183 degrees Celsius. This characteristic allows for a gentler soldering process, reducing the risk of damage to heat-sensitive components often found in modern electronic devices. Moreover, myriads of professionals favor tin solder paste due to its capability to form reliable connections. This is critical in high-performance electronics where even minor defects can lead to failure. The solder paste serves not only as an adhesive but also as an electrical conductor, which is inherently vital in any electronic assembly. Its robust performance in various soldering applications demonstrates why it has remained a staple material over the years. With a historical context rooted in the advent of lead-containing solders, tin solder paste has evolved, yet it continues to dominate due to its reliability, ease of use, and the quality of the solder joints it produces. In a market increasingly concerned with performance under stringent standards, tin solder paste remains a preferred choice. Its unique blend of tin and lead strikes a balance between mechanical strength and electrical conductivity, making it indispensable in the modern electronics landscape. Click the link in the video description to purchase this product. If you like our video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Please visit our website for more information.